g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. As you know, I love cottage cheese, so today I'm making a cottage cheese wrap. So it's high in protein from the eggs and the cottage cheese, and then you can stuff it with whatever vegetables you want. You don't even need protein because you've got it from the eggs and the cottage cheese. 2 ingredients plus 1 extra if you include the seasoning. So I'm taking some cottage cheese, some eggs, and I'm gonna add everything but the bagel seasoning because love it, and it adds a ton of flavor. And then we're just gonna mix it all up. That's it. So combine it really well, and then you're gonna spread it on a parchment paper, on a baking sheet. Not too thick, not too thin, because you want it to cook. You don't want it to burn. And that's it. We'll just spread it out. Make a nice big wrap. There you go. So I'm going to spread it out. Try to get it not too thick, not too thin. And then we're going to put it in a preheated oven. Again, you can make it whatever shape you want. I'm going to make it, there you go, as you can see, nice and, there we go. We're going to cook it till it's nice and golden. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. It's that simple. Okay, so it's cooked and it's off the parchment paper and it's just like a wrap. There you go. See? And then I'm going to fill it. I've got some sliced cucumber, I've got some fresh dill, I've got some avocado slice, and then we're going to wrap it up. Looks fantastic. So I'm filling it up. Okay, so we're going to fill it up and we're going to roll it like a wrap. And there you go. Look at that. 2 ingredients. High protein wrap with cottage cheese and eggs. Super easy, super delicious. Enjoy.